Now we will see the various conversion methods from binary to decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Okay. So in this class, we'll see how a binary number is converted to decimal number. Now binary number is in the form of ones and zeros, and decimal number is in the form of combination of 0 to 9. So see here, we have, for example, a number 111001001. So what we are doing over here, we first step is split the digits. Okay, remember first step is split the digits. So I have splitted these digits. Okay, then second thing is multiply each digit by a weight, that is 2 raised to the power 0. So this is the weight being attached. Okay, from least significant bit to most significant bit, and add all those digits. So जैसे अभी यहाँ पे देखिए 2 raised to 0 into 1 plus 2 raised to 1 into 0 plus 2 raised to 2 into 1 plus 2 raised to 3 into 0. Likewise, it goes up to 2 raised to 7. Okay. अभी मेरे पास में अगर वैल्यूज क्रिएटेड है, व्हाट इज 2 raised to 7, व्हाट इज 2 raised to 6, व्हाट इज 2 raised to 5, I can easily calculate this. And one more trick you can remember over here, any number multiplied by 0 gives me 0. Okay, and any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So please follow these two things, your calculation will be very fast. Okay. So here 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 retrieves me 2 to 9. So 111000101 gives me 2 to 9 to the base 10. So it is 2 to 9 with respect to base 10, and this number is with respect to base 2. So it is very compulsory for each one of you. Remember, you put the appropriate base. If I forget to put the base, universally by default it is considered as decimal number system. So it will give a wrong result. Okay. So please see that you put a proper appropriate base with respect to that current number system. Okay. Now we'll see binary to decimal. You can practice these numbers. The answers will be shared. Now conversion of fractional binary number to fractional decimal number. So for that, suppose we are converting 0.1011 into decimal. So it would, how it would be done? First step, separate the bits of your number. Second thing is, first thing we have done, we have separated the digits. Okay. Second thing, now remember, from point, go from left to right. From the decimal point, go from left to right. Okay. Here what you will do, 2 raised to the power minus 1, 2 raised to the power minus 2, and so on. You will go from left to right. So digit 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power minus 1, 0, 2 raised to the power minus 2, 1, 2 raised to the power minus 3, 1, 2 raised to the power minus 4. So likewise, we have multiplied and added each digit with its respective powers. So 2 raised to the power 1 minus 1 is like 1 by 2. It is 1 by 4. It is 1 by 8. It is 1 by 16. So जो भी answer appropriate आएगा multiplied by 1, you will get it the fraction value. And likewise, you can create the, so 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.125 plus 0.0625 gives me 0.6875. So 0.1011 is equals to 0.6875. Okay, it is not 0.1011, it is 0.1011 and it is 0.6875 in decimal. Okay, so these are the numbers for you to practice. Now we will see binary to octal. So in binary number can be easily converted into octal number by just split the numbers into 3. We'll see just like that. Suppose if the number of bits in the integer part is not a multiple of 3, then we will जो भी leading numbers रहेंगे उसमें zeros consider होंगे. Okay, because leading zeros don't have a significance. And if the number of bits in the fractional part are like they are not in the multiple of 3, then unke trailing जो zeros है वो consider होंगे. Okay, because trailing zeros just like 4.30000 will not make any difference. Okay, so likewise 0.5, so that will also not make difference. So your value will be intact. We'll just have a practice of it. Suppose you are having a number 11011010. So how we will do? We'll just group it to 3 digits. So see here, from right to left we will go 2, 5 and 1. So see here 2, 5 and 1. How we will write it as 152. So here we have prefixed the leading zeros. यहाँ पे 1 का ग्रुप 3 का लॉट नहीं बन रहा था, तो इस 1 के लिए we prefixed 2 more extra zeros. Okay, so these are leading zeros. Now we'll go for the practice slot. You can carry out with this. Then conversion of fractional binary to fractional octal. Same here. Group the 3 digits from right to left, before point, and from left to right after point. Okay. So suppose the number is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0.1000, 0, 1, 0. So see here how we will write it at ये एक group, ये एक group, this one, this one, this one and this one. So this is 3657.42. So we will write it in this way. Okay, I hope everyone has understood it. So here you have seen how a binary number is converted into a octal number. Okay, so group of 3 करना है from right to left before the decimal point and from left to right after the decimal point. Remember that. Okay. Now we will see the conversion of fractional binary number to fractional octal number. You can practice this numbers. यहाँ पे रूल क्या रहेगा? From left to right, from decimal point, create a group of 3. If group of 3 is not possible, just trail with zeros. Now binary number to hexadecimal. अब बाइनरी का बेस है 2 और हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम का बेस है 16. So we have 2 raised to the power 4. So 4 के ग्रुप में हमको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, 4 का ग्रुप अभी क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. जैसे हमने ऑक्टल में 3 का ग्रुप क्रिएट किया था, अभी हेक्साडेसिमल केस में हमको 4 का ग्रुप क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा और 4 के ग्रुप के हिसाब से उसका इक्विवेलेंट नंबर लिखना पड़ेगा. So just see the example 1010011011. So from right hand side towards left hand side, we'll just group it into the 4. So here you see 1 1 1 0 1 1. ये एक ग्रुप हो गया. ठीक है. 1 0 1 1 ये एक ग्रुप हो गया. दूसरा हो गया 0 0 1 0. तीसरा हो गया ये 1. तो इसको हमने लीडिंग 3 एक्स्ट्रा जीरोस डाल दिए या डायरेक्टली हम 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. सो हाउ वी हैव रिटन अब 1101 इसका इक्विवेलेंट लेटर क्या है D. 0100 इसका इक्विवेलेंट है 4 और 0001 का इक्विवेलेंट है 1. So here you will see 1010010101 in binary equivalent is 14D to the base 16. Okay. Now we will convert fractional binary to fractional hexadecimal. तो यहाँ पे भी आप क्या करोगे? You will repeat the same process, but from this point. Group of 4 करना है, but कैसे करोगे? See here, this is one group, this is another. अब यहाँ 4 का digit नहीं बन रहा है, तो you will put extra 0 in trailing. Okay? Same here 4, same here 4. Okay? Likewise, you will prepare it. Now we'll see the table for your help. Okay? अगर 2 raised to the power 1 है तो 2 लिखोगे. 2 raised to the power 2 है तो 4. You can just learn up this table. This will save your time if you have to do the calculations up to 2 raised to the power 12. Okay? यानी 12 digit का अगर number आता है तो what would be the value of the 12th digit? That will be 4096. So it becomes easy and it will be a time saving thing for you to work with the decimal equivalent. Okay. If you are having negative power, then put 2 raised to the power like -1. So it is 1/2, 0.5 and so on. Okay.